By the end of this video, you will know how to manually enter transactions in QuickBooks Online. Start from the left-hand menu in QuickBooks Online and click All Apps. This opens the main set of tools so you can move into the accounting area where account registers are stored. From there, expand Accounting, then select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts lists the accounts in your company file, including bank accounts and credit card accounts. This is where you choose the specific register that will hold the transaction you want to enter. Find the bank or credit card account where the transaction belongs. Take a moment here to choose the correct account before moving forward, because the register you open determines where the transaction will be recorded. Once you have the right account, click View Register beside it. The account register opens with a line for entering a new transaction at the top. Look for the transaction type drop-down in that area. Click the drop-down to see the available transaction types for that register. If you are working in a credit card account, the label may appear as Add CC Expense instead of a standard transaction prompt. The label can vary, but the purpose is the same. It is where you begin creating the manual entry. Select the transaction type that matches what you need to record. After that, fill in the transaction details across the register line. Enter the date first, then add the reference number if you use one. Next, enter the payee, choose the appropriate account, and include a memo if needed. Each field helps identify the transaction and place it in the correct category. When you reach the amount area, enter the value in the field that matches the type of activity you are recording. For a purchase, place the amount in the charge field. For a payment or a credit, place the amount in the payment field. Using the correct column matters because it affects how the transaction appears in the register and how the account balance is updated. Before saving, review the details on the line. Check that the transaction type is correct, confirm the date and payee, and make sure the account and amount were entered in the proper places. If everything looks right, click Save. After you save, QuickBooks Online adds the transaction to the account register. You can see it listed with the other entries for that bank or credit card account, which confirms that the manual transaction has been recorded in the register you selected. The transaction is now entered and visible in your QuickBooks Online account register.